In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix images not showing in Google Chrome. If websites are loading without pictures or certain images aren't displaying correctly, there are a few Chrome settings you can check to resolve the issue. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the browser, then select Settings. In the Settings page, click Privacy and Security from the menu on the left. Next, select Site Settings to manage how websites interact with your browser. Scroll down and click Images under the Content section. Make sure Sites Can Show Images is selected. If image loading has been blocked, enabling this option allows websites to display images normally again. If the setting is already enabled, return to Privacy and Security and click Delete Browsing Data. Choose a time range, select Cached Images and Files, then click Delete Data. Clearing the cache can fix problems caused by outdated or corrupted files. Next, try reloading the website where the images weren't appearing. In many cases, the images will load correctly after the cache has been cleared. If the issue still isn't resolved, click the three-dot menu again, go to Extensions, then select Manage Extensions. Temporarily disable your extensions one at a time, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, or content filtering extensions, then refresh the web page to see if one of them is preventing images from loading. You should also make sure your internet connection is working properly by opening a few different websites. If images are missing on only one website, the problem may be with that site rather than Chrome. That's how to fix images not showing in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching.